wonder how fertilization process works? Welcome, let us show you.
The first process, ovum, the female reproductive cell, the female embryo.
The ovum process, nakilala rin bilang oogenesis, ang pagbuo at pag-unlad ng mga babaeng itlog sa mga ovary. Ito ay nagsasangkot ng ilang mga stages kabilang ang mitotic division, meiosis at maturation. Sa huli ay gumagawa ng isang mature na itlog na handa para sa pagbubunga.
The second process is fertilization. Fertilization is the process where sperm cells combines with an egg cells na bumubuo ng isang zygote.
Fertilization is the process where a sperm cell combines with an egg cell na bumubuo ng isang zygote. Karaniwang itong nangyayari sa fallopian tube. Ang sperm ay tumatagos sa itlog na humahantong sa pagsasanib ng kanilang genetic material. Nagresulta ito sa pagbuo ng isang diploid zygote na sumasailalim sa cell division at pag-unlad upang simulan ang pagbubuntis.
The third process is the sperm cell and egg nucleus. Ang sperm cell nucleus at egg cell nucleus ay naglalaman ng kalahati ng genetic material na kailangan para makabuo ng kumpletong organismo.
During fertilization, the sperm cell nucleus carrying the paternal DNA fuses with the egg cell nucleus, which holds the maternal DNA. This union combines the genetic information mula sa parehong mga magulang, forming a diploid zygote with a complete set of chromosomes na kumakatawan sa blueprint para sa pagbuo ng isang bagong individual.
The fourth process is zygote. Zygote, fertilized egg cells that result from the union of the female gamete, egg or ovum, with a male gamete sperm. Also, zygote phase brief, lasting only about 4 days, and it takes about 5 to 6 days for a zygote to transform into blastocyst.
After fertilization, the zygote undergoes a series of cell division through a process called cleavage. This division results in a multicellular structure known as a blastocyst. The blastocyst then undergoes implantation into the uterus lining. Subsequent development involves the formation of embryonic tissues, organs, and structures through various stages, eventually leading to the growth of a fully formed organism.
A fifth process, two-cell stage. Ang two-cell stage ay nangyayari pagkatapos ng unang mitotic division ng zygote. At ito ay proseso kung saan nangyayari ang cleavage.
Ang paghahati na ito ay nagreresulta sa dalawang magkaparehong mga cell. Bawat isa ay may sariling nucleus na naglalaman ng parehong genetic na material. The two-cell stage marks the initial steps in the process of cleavage. Ito na po yung proseso kung saan nangyayari ang cleavage, where the zygote undergoes successive rounds of cell divisions, forming a multicellular structure as development progresses.
On to the next part is the four-cell stage. Four-cell stage embryo is the result of a second cleavage event and will happen after 40 hours of fertilization.
Ang four-cell stage ay intermediate na hakbang sa embryonic development na nagaganap pagkatapos ng dalawang round ng cell division kasunod ng fertilization. At this stage, the zygote has divided into 4 cells known as blastomeres. Ang bawat blastomeres ay naglalaman ng isang copy ng genetic na material mula sa original na zygote. This 4-cell stage is part of the cleavage process, which lays the foundation for subsequent stages of embryonic development.
The seventh process, 8-cell stage. Ang 8-cell stage ay isang kasunod na phase sa embryonic development kasunod ng 4-cell stage.
After a series of mitotic division through cleavage, the zygote divides into 8 cells, each with its own nucleus. At this point, these cells are called blastomeres. Ang yugto ng 8-cell ay isang mahalagang hakbang dahil itinatakda nito ang step para sa karagdagang pagkakaiba-iba ng cell at specialization during embryonic development.
The 8th process, morula. The morula is a stage in embryonic development characterized by a solid ball of cells, resulting from several rounds of cleavage.
After the 4-cell and 8-cell stages, the cell continues to divide without significant growth, forming a compact structure. The morula precedes the blastocyst stage and plays a crucial role in the only stage of embryogenesis, leading to the eventual formation of different cell types and tissues in the developing organism.
The 9th process, blastocyst. The blastocyst is a later stage of embryonic development marked by the formation of a fluid-filled cavity with a cluster of cells. It typically occurs around 5 to 6 days after fertilization.
Ang blastocyst ay binubuo ng isang panlabas na mga cell, trophectoderm, na mag-aambag sa inunan at isang panloob na cell mass na bubuo sa embryo. This stage is critical for implantation into the uterus lining, initiating further development of the embryo. Following successful implantation, the blastocyst becomes an implanted embryo. Ito ay nangyayari kapag ang blastocyst ay nakakabit sa uterine lining at ang trophoblast cell ay napapadali sa koneksyon sa mga daluyan ng dugo ng ina. After implantation, the developing embryo continues its growth and differentiation with the inner cell mass, giving rise to the various cell types that will form to the fetus. At the outer cell contributes to the placenta and other supporting structures.
That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.